Good morning, friends. Welcome to online classes in Sri Digamar Institute of Technology, Dosa. This is JP Yadav from Electrical Department. Today's my subject is clipper circuits. Series positive clipper with negative bias. In last slides, in last lecture, I explain you what the clipper circuit, what the operation of clipper circuits, what is the types of clipper circuits, and now next different types of clipper circuits. The first one, series positive clipper with negative bias. It means a diode connected in series, so it is called series clipper. Positive means it cuts the positive portion of the input supply, so it is called series positive clipper. With negative bias means battery is connected in negative terminal of the diode. So in series positive clipper with negative bias, battery is connected in negative with diode, and diode are in series in the circuit and cuts the positive portion of the input supply and gives the negative supply at output. So circuit like this. Input waveform is a sinusoidal waveform. A and B points are Vi is input sinusoidal waveform, D is diode which is in series, RL is load, and Vb is DC battery with diode negative. Diode positive and battery negative terminal are connected to each other with load. How can it works? When at first point A, Vi is positive, Vb is negative for the diode, and Vi is positive for the diode. So diode is in reverse bias with input and reverse bias with battery. In both conditions, input Vi, battery Vb both are connected in reverse bias, so diode always reverse bias in positive cycle. So whole positive cycle are completely eliminated. Output node comes during positive input. So the output waveform in positive terms gives output is positive, output is 0. But DC battery is connected to load, so it gives Vb supply at output in negative. Vb is connected at load, so it gives output at load minus Vb. But positive waveform is eliminated due to reverse bias of the diode. During the positive half cycle, the diode D is reverse biased by both input supply voltage Vi and battery voltage Vb. So no signal appear at the output during the positive half cycle. Therefore, the completely positive half cycle is removed. Okay. Now we discussed about negative half cycle. In negative half cycle, when input Vi is negative at point A, diode first point is negative, both A and diode point is both are negative, so the diode are forward bias, but Vb is connected diode positive terminal, so diode is reverse biased. Vi and Vb in which voltage are maximum? Which voltage are maximum, diode work according to this voltage. If at first Vb is greater than Vi, VB DC voltage is greater than input voltage, then diode are in reverse bias. So Vi is not received at the output. When the input Vi is again increased, at the condition Vi becomes more greater than VB, then diode is forward bias and Vi appears across load. And so in waveform, the sine wave of negative cycle when Vi greater than VB is received at the output, and again positive cycle start and output only DC, not AC. During negative half cycle, what is the working? We explain now. During the negative half cycle, the diode is forward biased by the input supply voltage Vi and reverse biased by the battery voltage Vb. However, initially the battery voltage Vb dominates the input supply voltage Vi. So the diode remains to the reverse bias until the Vi becomes greater than Vb. When the input supply voltage Vi becomes greater than the battery voltage Vb, the diode is forward biased by the input supply voltage Vi. So the signal appears at the output. Next clipper is series negative clipper. What means of series negative clipper? Diode are in series and cuts the negative part. So it's called series negative clipper, and output we received positive portion of the input AC signal, like that. Diode in series and output are positive, negative are eliminated, so it is called series negative clipper. In series negative clipper, the negative half cycle of the input AC signal is removed at the output. The circuit construction of the series negative clipper is shown in figure. We explain in next slide. If the diode is arranged in such a way that the arrowhead of the diode points towards the output and the diode is in series with the output load resistance, then the clipper is said to be series negative clipper. In simple words, in a series negative clipper, the diode is connected in a direction opposite to of the series positive clipper. The vertical line in the diode symbol represents the cathode and the opposite ends represent the anode, P side, like that. A point of diode is positive and arrow show negative points of the diode. Diode are in series and output connected at load. Output always positive and eliminates negative input supply, so it is called negative series clipper. How it works? During positive cycle, during the positive half cycle, terminal A is positive. When input is positive, then A point is positive, B point is negative. We can say Vi is positive. A is positive and terminal B is negative. That means the positive terminal A is connected to P side and the negative terminal B is connected to N side of the diode. As we already know that if the positive terminal is connected to P side and the negative terminal is connected to N side, then the diode is said to be forward bias. Therefore, the diode D is forward bias during the positive half cycle. How? Okay, diode A point of the diode is positive and V gives the input positive. So both are positive. Input is positive, diode parts is positive, then the diode are in forward bias, and in forward condition diode R works as a short circuit. And input supply of positive supply input goes to load RL, and in circuit flows the current, and we received the output voltage V0 at load RL, which is equal to Vmax input Vmax, and output we get Vmax positive supply. Okay. In negative supply, when a point Vi is negative, diode part is positive, both are opposite, so the diode are forward bias. Sorry, A is negative, diode is positive, then diode works as a reverse bias. In reverse bias condition, diode works as a open circuit, and no signal of input goes to load RL, and output of negative is eliminated because diode is reverse bias and input node collect at RL because diode is open, and negative cycle is eliminated. Again positive supply, when positive supply, then diode is forward bias, and at RL we received that signal. Okay. During the negative half cycle, the terminal A is negative and the terminal B is positive. That means the negative terminal A is connected to P side. Okay. Negative terminal A is connected to P side and the positive terminal B is connected to N side. As we already know that if the negative terminal is connected to P side and the positive terminal is connected to N side, then the diode is said to be reverse biased. Therefore, the diode D is reverse biased during the negative half cycle. During reverse bias condition, no current flow through the diode, so the negative half cycle is completely blocked or removed at the output. In other words, a series of negative half cycle are removed at the output. Thus, the series negative clipper removes the series of negative half cycle. Okay, it is negative series negative clippers. We discussed in this topic in clipper positive series clipper, which eliminates positive half cycle and gives the negative half cycle. And next we discuss about series positive clipper with bias. Positive bias, when battery is connected positively with diode and diode are in series, then it is called series positive clipper with bias. Biasing with DC connection with diode. And next we discussed series positive clipper with negative bias. In this series positive clipper, positive means output node comes, only negative output is received at output. Battery are in opposite with diode, so it is called negative bias. Diode are in series, so it is called positive series clipper, and positive input is eliminated, it is called series positive clipper with negative bias. So positive clipper with bias or without bias we discuss, and series negative clipper we discuss today in this circuit. So series diode are in series, but output only positive cycle. Again we explain it. When A is positive, diode first point is positive, both are positive, so diode are forward bias, and in forward condition diode work as a short circuit. So input is Vmax positive, and this positive goes to RL. When input goes, then current is flow, and current and RL we received at output V0 बराबर IRL, and V0 is equal to input positive supply. When input is negative, A point is negative, diode point is positive, both are reverse. A is positive, diode is positive, both are reverse. In reverse condition, diode works as a reverse biasing. In reverse biasing, diode works as a open circuit. In open circuit, when diode is open, the input supply of negative portion is not goes to RL, and no one current flow through RL, and V0 is 0. Output voltage equal to 0 because input not received at RL. So when in negative cycle the output is 0, again positive cycle, then output is comes equal to Vmax. So it's clear. During negative, always diode is open and output not received. In positive, diode always positive, always circuit forward bias. In forward condition, when input received at the output, how many inputs which received at the output. When input is increased, the output also increase. Input is decreased, then output also decrease. Output depends upon inputs because only diode and resistance are connected, no loss in the power. So output is always equal to input with small distortion. Thanks to watching my video. Thank you.